Okay, so some help has been requested for what it means to graph transformations of a parent function. Excuse me. And it looks like these choices A, B, C, and D focus on these letters right here, C and D. We'll worry about A and B later. If you have something like f of x plus the quantity x plus 4, that 4 is inside, we say inside the parentheses, and the letters B and C are both inside the parentheses. They cause transformations to happen horizontally. The values of A and D are outside the parentheses. Those cause transformations up and down or vertical. Okay, so let's go to Desmos and see what happens if I have a graph of a parent function f of x equals x squared, and I set the value, I start changing the value of C. That should cause a horizontal shift. Let's see. If I go to the right or make C positive, watch what happens to the graph. It's actually going to the left. And this is the original point on the parent function, 4 comma 16, because 4 squared is 16. And look what happens to the x value for the transform function. It's, in this case, 5 less than 4. In your problem, C was 4, so it would be 4 less. With this graph, by the way, you can change the parent function. There's a cubic. I can change the value of x sub 1 so that the point appears on the graph or comes into focus. Change this to square root. There's the shift to the left. I increase 4 or C, keep shifting to the left. What happens if I go the other way? Well, then the graph shifts to the right. So see that there's a transformation 6 to the right. It's the kind of the opposite of what this sign is right here, x plus a negative 6. Now, let's reset and change D. This causes a vertical shift. In this case, if I say D is 5, I haven't done anything horizontally, but the Y value is increased by 5. And if I move this point this way, still the Y value is increased by 5. Okay. And of course, it's possible to have, let's reset, a horizontal shift and a vertical shift at the same time. So there's the horizontal shift to the left, and there's the vertical shift, up or down. Okay, and again, there's some other parent functions in here. There's square root, there's the reciprocal function, the exponential, logarithmic, absolute value, the sine function, trigonometry, and linear. Okay, there's the quadratic again. Okay, so I'm going to send a link to this graph after posting the answer to this question so you can experiment. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.